Hi, this video is about table row. So it's not about repeating an entire table. If you want to do that, if you want to have separate entire tables with information, you can do. You need to watch the table video. This one is just about having a single table and how you repeat the rows in that table using a list data source. So I've got my couple of fields set up in my document here, and that's already loaded into my .config. And this is what we want to end up with, but I will show you how to build this. So we use the product name merge field, as you can see twice. First of all, we use it to identify the table row and where that is. And then for each of the columns, we add those as a single. But to show you just how easy that is, I'll delete this and we'll do it again. So it's type table row. You need to choose a list data source for this. And the first merge field is the one that is going to identify the row. Now, particularly, people tend to use the first one. So we'll do that, product name. And I'm not going to put any conditionality. I'm just going to say OK. And then that'll be added at the bottom. And you need to select the new child function to then add your columns. Single and parent data source for all of these is fine. So to add this, I've just got to pick the name, and we're going to choose the same merge field again. So we used it first to identify the row, and now we're going to choose what actually goes into that column. OK and new, and I've got a couple more clicks on this one, quantity, and again, quantity will be in here. OK and new, and again, the price. And I'll say this one is a currency field, and price will come up here. So not very many clicks to rebuild what we saw before. Save that to the server, go back to my opportunity, press the preview button, and what we'll see is for each item in the products here, we've got the name, the quantity, and the price. And that's it.